Hi kids, today we will continue revise the unit 4, 5 and 6 and let's start simple past and past continuous, then we will revise used to, okay? Now let's remember simple past and past continuous. Okay, what is the simple past? It's the finished action in the past, right? We used verb to. If it is regular, we add er, like, ed. Played like this, or liked in the past. If it's irregular, go, went, or buy, bought. In the simple past, finished action. And the past continuous, we used was verb and verb ing, like I was playing. We used in the simple past tense, actually. Also, we used did, right? Did we used in the simple past tense for negative and questions form. Did you go? Or I didn't go. It's a question form. Question and negative. What is the positive form? You already, right? I went, blah, blah, blah. Went, verb, to. Past continuous like this. Okay. Look at here. And this is time, okay, we are in now, we are here, and past, these are past. A past tense, finished action. I came home at 8 p.m. I came, that's all. And past continuous is a continued for a while, okay, it's a continued for a while. Start here and finish here, but it's past. It doesn't change, okay? In the past, it started and it finished. She was studying math. She was studying math, ing. John was talking on the phone between 7 and 8 p.m. yesterday evening. Yesterday evening in the past. But start 7 and finished 8. Was talking, continuing action, okay? John was talking on the phone. John talked on the phone yesterday. Finished action, okay? Yesterday, in the past, John talked, finished. When, we don't know. She was cooking dinner all afternoon. All afternoon. And from 12 to 5, maybe, okay? All afternoon. And she cooked dinner yesterday afternoon. When, we don't know, yesterday. It finished, okay? And we used when. Simple past and past continuous sentences. When after when we use always simple past. Okay? When after simple past. Then we can use past continuous. There are exceptions, but we just know this for now. Actually, we used middle of the sentence when, but again after when we use simple past tense. When Alison called, I was sleeping. When Alison called, it is a past, simple past. I was sleeping. I was sleeping when Alison called. Okay? Middle of the sentences we use when, but after that we use simple past. Okay. Now we'll do some exercise. He was canceling, past continuous, right? And when we called him, simple past. In this exercise, we just write when. All answers is when. But how? We're watching, and when went, simple past. And when we reach the summit of the mountain, dağın zirvesine ulaştığımızda, the sun was rising. I was having a shower when, again after, it's simple past. Broke, verb 2, break, verb 1, in here. Go, went, in here, ed, it's the regular. When the doorbell rung, ring, rung, verb 1 and verb 2. The Pearsons were having a large breakfast. Now, the next exercise, we will just tenses, okay? When at the middle of the sentence, before, what can we use? Simple past or past continuous? Yes, past continuous. Mary was driving her car when she see. What is the past form? Saw a little cat on the road. And when Mark burned, it's the past form, and he was ironing kıyafetlerini ütülüyordu. Kendini yaktığı zaman kıyafetlerini ütülüyordu. When Albert, his leg. When we use simple past after the when. Break, past form, broke his leg. Ayağını kırdığında he was skating on the street. Okay, again, at the middle of the sentence, when. After when, we use simple past. When the accident happened, because it is regular, happened, and before when, we were drinking coffee at a cafe. And the last one, when, after the when, you come, past form, came into the room. I was working on the science project. Okay. This is simple past and past continuous tense and used when. Now, let's continue with the used to. Okay? Used to. What a past habit. Okay. We use used to for past habit. Okay, what is a past habit? Now, past habit is something we did a lot of in the past, okay? We did a lot in the past, but we don't do it now. An example for a state. He used to live in London, but he doesn't now. He used to live in London in the past, but he doesn't now. For habit, he used to go on holiday to France every year. In the past, he used to go on holiday to France every year, but he doesn't now. Okay, let's continue. Used to is the same for objects in following. It doesn't change. We use used to all subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Used to swim. I used to swim, you used to swim, he, she, it used to swim, we, they used to swim. And a negative form, okay. Be careful. We use didn't, but now we don't write used, okay? We will remove the last D letter. I didn't used to swim. Why? Because this D letter we write didn't in the past. Okay? I didn't used to, not used, not D letters. Okay? Final D we didn't write. You didn't used to, he, she didn't used to swim, it didn't used to swim, we, they didn't used to swim. In the negative form, be careful, we don't write used to, we just write used to and we add didn't, okay? And the question form, again we use did and used to. If there is a did in the sentence, we don't write the past form, okay? We don't write the past form. We use just infinitive, okay? Infinitive form of the verb. Used to. Did I used to swim? Did you used to swim? Yes or no? Yes I did. No I didn't. Yes you did. No you didn't, like this. But we don't write used D letters. In the negative form and in the question form, we don't write the letter, the last D letter, because we write did. In the positive form, of course, we can write used to. Okay. Robert, when he was younger, I think he played football. Today, he is retired and he lives with his wife, like this. How can we say this? Robert played football when he was younger, but he stopped playing 20 years ago. In the past, Robert used to play football. Robert used to play football when he was younger, but now he doesn't. Okay? Look at the next example, and there is a girl. She is watching television. People watch television in 1910s. 1910s. Was there television in 19s there? No, I don't think so, because people didn't used to watch, because there is no television in these years. People didn't used to watch television in 1910s. Okay, little Anthony, Terry and Gareth ride a bicycle well, drink a lot of milk, run every morning. Little Anthony used to drink a lot of milk in the past. Terry didn't used to, got the cross on the picture, Terry didn't used ride a bicycle well, and Gareth used to run every morning. But all of these are past, in the past. Now they don't do. Okay, let's match the picture. Mom and I used to watch TV series in the evenings. TV series, this one, actually one. Mr. Davis used to work as a cook in a famous restaurant. Mr. Davis is a cook too, but now he doesn't do, okay? In the past, Jamie and Theo used to go jogging. Jamie and Theo used to go jogging. And jogging, 3. And 4, Ella and Dylan used to go to a French restaurant. 4. And this one, she's skipping rope. She used to skip ropes. And he used to work a company, but now he doesn't work. Okay. That's enough for today. See you the next lesson. Take care.